Today we're starting a job at a local South Jersey avocado facility where they bring in avocados from all over the world and they distribute them to supermarkets in the Philadelphia area. And so part of their process, part of their packaging process requires a little bit more air into a part of the facility where they don't have air now. So we're going to be running from one end of the building, we're going to tie into the receiver tank and we're going to go up overhead of the coolers and we're going to come down to about in between 10 different dock doors so that they have air at each individual dock. Back at the avocado plant, job went really well. The customer's very happy. 600 feet of 2-inch header down into the 1-inch drops in between all the dock doors. The technicians did a tremendous job. It looks really good. So if you're looking to expand your existing system or you need a new installation, feel free to reach out to us.